You are watching CDMX TV, and today I'm going to show you the top 5 of the best things to do in Mexico City. If you're interested in that, check this video until the end. All of the places that I'm going to visit today are completely free, so you don't have to spend any money to visit one of these places. And at least for me, the most beautiful building in this city is the Museum of Bellas Artes, and this is the top one! I don't know why there's a lot of people here, but I assume that there's an event inside. Maybe the famous artist, the famous dancer, something like that. I don't know who is Sarah Barras, but you can check that in Google. Unfortunately, girls, is this event I can't come inside, but almost every day they doesn't have anything, so you can just come inside and watch what they have there. I think that there is a couple of art pieces, some things that are unusual to see. So it's a good opportunity to learn about Mexican art and things like that. And just in front of here is the second location, that is the Tower Latinoamericana, and a park. This park is called Alamedas, and it's really popular. So there's always something to do there, and there is always a lot of people. I'm gonna show you this place that is just in front of this. And this place in the old time, it was the meeting point, so if you were single, you to walk around this, and the girls in the opposite side, if someone is interested in you, you're starting to talk with them. It was to be in the old times. I don't know if the people are still doing this. And just a couple of meters in front of that, you can see this. And this is the monument to the most famous Mexican people, the president Benito Juarez. And he makes a lot of things, but he's probably the favorite president of this country. And you can see a lot of lions and really nice structures here. Just come here and check this. Take your selfie, take a couple of pictures, and share that in Insta. And this is the top 2. This is the Tower Latinoamericana. This is the biggest building in Mexico City, or it used to be, but just in the downtown, this is definitely the biggest building here. And the good thing about this is that it's just in front of Bellas Artes, so you don't have to cross the street and you can come here. This is like a tourist trap, because every floor have some attractions like aquarium, 3D cinema, and a lot of crazy things. But you need to pay to go there. And also you can get to the top and take a couple of pictures and do a lot of different things in the rest of the floors. I think that there is also a restaurant, but you will have to pay just to get to the top. Now I'm going to go inside, so hopefully no one will stop me, because I think that is legal record inside here. I don't know. As you can see, there's a lot of different skyscrapers here. The Taki Tower, and the Eiffel Tower, and the rest of the towers that I haven't heard in my life. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, but just in front of here can be considered a dangerous zone, because there's a lot of scammers here, and pickpockets and thieves and everything, because this city is overcrowded, as you can see. And then you have to cross the street to go to the Museum of Bellas Artes. So you can do these two things in a couple of minutes. Now to get to the third location, I'm gonna show you the way. It's just a couple of streets walking, so it's not particularly far. This street is locked to the vehicles, so you can just walk here, use your bicycle, anything. And there's a lot of restaurants and boutiques and a lot of different things, so it's a nice view. This is the third stop in this tour. This is the biggest church in Mexico City. The cathedral. The name of this church is La Catedral. This church, as you can see, have a lot of details, and it's the oldest and the biggest church in Mexico, and it's just next to a pyramid from the Aztecs. And you can come inside and check all the things that they have. Almost everything is a piece of art. You can take your selfie or just record yourself walking in circles as me. But there are also a lot of cops here, stand what you bad. Good hate. Inside here there are a lot of sculptures and a lot of things that can impress everyone, because they're really old and I don't know how many hours they have spent just to make one of them. We finally arrived to the fourth location, the Zocalo. What is this? Well, this is really similar to the Red Plaza in Russia, in the motherland. And they make a lot of events here, and when this is completely empty you can take a lot of really nice pictures. And just in front of here is the cathedral and the government palace. So there's a couple of things to do here, and you can do all of them in the same day, just in a couple of minutes. And today they have the book fair. You can buy books here. And we finally arrived to the last location, the top number 5. And as you can see on my left, there is the information center, so never believe in the guy who told you, yes, I'm a tourist guide, come with me, I'm gonna show you a lot of things. Because in Mexico City, there are a lot of scammers, and this city is particularly dangerous, so I will don't believe if someone come and tell me, yes, I'm gonna show you the best locations, come. This is the last location that is just next to the church, and it's the Aztec pyramid. This was the most important pyramid in the Aztec times in the city of Tenochtitlan. But after the fight with the Spanish, everything was destroyed, and this has just the leftovers. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, I will really appreciate that. It's just one click and it's free for you. So go ahead and press the button subscribe, 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 or die. See you later and enjoy the rest of my videos. I have a couple of videos in English and the rest are in Spanish, so if you're learning this language, it will definitely be a good option. So check